Hi crafters, this is Amy. Welcome to Cricut Basic How-Tos. Today we're going to talk about the Set Paper Size button. That button is located over here on the keypad. What that button does is I have on my cutting mat an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, but I have it loaded to the lower left hand corner of the mat. So there's space here and here. I want to cut an image the biggest I can cut on this size of paper. So I am going to move my cutter to this corner to set my paper size. Now if we watch on the screen here, what we want to do is, this is 8.5, so we're starting at 12, so we have 1, 2, 3.5 inches over. So we'll watch over there. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we have 3.5 inches over, and now we want to go 1 inch down. So we'll move our cutter. There's 1/2 inch. Sometimes it takes a little bit. There you go. So 3.5 inches in and 1 inch down. Now when I press my set paper size, it tells me my paper is 8.5 by 11. So now if I wanted to cut a shape, let's say I'm going to cut this heart, and I want to use the fit to page button up here. And if you want to know about that button, I will leave the link for that video kind of right up in here, as well as down below. So I'm going to hit the fit to page, and it will calculate. Even though it's set at 3.5 here, it will cut that heart as big as it can. Actually, it's going to cut it at 8 inches. Oh. So you can see that paper didn't stick on there right, so I stopped it, and we'll unload. Okay, now that we have our paper size set at 8.5 by 11, I am going to cut this heart out as big as I can with my fit to page button. Load this. And that is one way you can use the set paper size button. Don't forget to see what the fuss is all about at sellhandmadeproducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.